and welcome to MicroMoment on this sunny, beautiful Monday morning. And we're just in Thanksgiving week, and we have been spending a great deal of time practicing various dishes on Offgrid Cooking because our Thanksgiving dinner is going to be totally 100% off-grid prepared this year. First time I'm ever doing that. And I'm not going to cheat, because if I cheated, I would only be cheating myself out of the knowledge gained by trying to do shortcuts. So I want to share with you just a couple of minutes about things that I've learned, and then we're going to get to our Black Friday sale information. First of all, one of the things that I never imagined was how convenient it will be if we have to go to Offgrid Cooking to have a grill. Now we have a Traeger. I know those are very popular grills. A lot of people have them, but you don't necessarily need to have a grill. You can just have a regular charcoal grill. Ours, of course, the Traeger runs off of electricity, but we have plugged it into our Bluetti, and then that is powered by solar. So we're great with off-grid with our Traeger now that we have our Bluetti and our solar panel array, and it works beautifully. So we are doing, as you know, I'm preparing another book that is off-grid holiday recipes, and I'm just having a great time. Some of the recipes will be familiar, although I've not included any of these in any previous of our recipe books before, but they will be familiar, like the green bean casserole, although I have a little twist on that. But everything is done off-grid, so that is what is different about this book. And I have learned so much. The three meats that we're going to be featuring are a brined turkey. We've practiced that. We'll be doing that on Thanksgiving Day. We're not going to have lengthy videos on how to do everything. Rather, we're going to show you snippets of the different things on Thanksgiving Day. And then, if you're interested in more information, that off-grid holiday cooking book will be available to you. I'm timelining it to be released probably about a week after Thanksgiving. I'll need just a little bit more time to get everything together. But the three meats that we're going to do are a brined turkey, that will be on the Traeger, and we're going to do a sweet roasted ham, that will be on the Traeger, on the grill, and then the other one is an easy oven brisket. This is a brisket recipe that I learned when I lived in Texas. It is easy, it is not quick because it's going to take about 4 hours in the oven, but the oven that we're going to use is our outdoor Camp Chef portable camp oven. And so that's where we will be cooking that one. Then we're going to do all kinds of side dishes that will be cooked in Dutch ovens, also over the single burner butane stove, or in our solar cooker that we made by hand out of a cardboard box and tin foil. So that's what we're going to be doing. I am learning so much about off-grid cooking. You know, I've done off-grid cooking forever, but I've always had the backup of my own kitchen, except when we're camping, of course. And so this has been really a good experiment for me to see what it feels like to be doing off-grid cooking for an entire meal that is really quite a production. We have 7 or 8 different dishes that we're going to be doing. So we'll show you the results of that on Thanksgiving Day. We'll video the final and then let you see how it turned out. Mistakes, successes, everything. You're going to get the full picture. And this is actually a really good warm-up for us because we're going to be doing some remodeling of our kitchen. I think I mentioned earlier that I was going to paint my cabinets. I have since decided I'm not going to paint the cabinets. They are beautiful the way they are. We're just going to clean them really well and give them a new layer of oil polish and get them looking as good as new. But our countertop surface is going to go. It's cracked in several places, so it's going to go. And this island right here, you've seen this in hundreds of our videos, but it goes like this, and then it makes a dog leg to the left, making our passageway right here really difficult. Neither Jim nor I, we both don't fit through here. And if the refrigerator door is open, we can't get by. So we're going to take the kink out of this bar, and then I'm putting in some new, having some new storage cabinets built. So we are going to be without our kitchen for 3 weeks during spring, probably March or April. And during that time, we're going to be doing all off-grid cooking because I won't have access to this bar at all where the sinks are and the dishwasher and so forth. So that also will be a good lesson for us. Now for our Black Friday sale. I'm going to run a 24-hour sale up on our bookstore, and the link to our bookstore is always our last slide. Oh, I don't think it is on MicroMoment Monday's slide, but it will be below this video under the description, and you can see it on most of our recent videos. There's a whole slide that shows our link to the bookstore. I'm going to put all of our books except the free books and the water book. Now these are our books right here. These are our smaller ones, and we just published this water book, and it's $1 plus, meaning you'll pay $1 or anything above that that you would like. The free books are going to stay free. The water book will stay $1 plus, but everything else is going to be 20% off, including the big food storage book that my sister Cindy and I did. Currently, I think it is $24.99. So this will go on sale for 20% off as well. And it's only going to be for 24 hours. So those hours are going to be from 9 a.m. Mountain Time on the Friday after Thanksgiving to 9 a.m. Saturday the next day, and remember that is Mountain Time. Now is your chance to go up there and get the books that you've wanted, or maybe perhaps to get for Christmas gifts, and you're welcome to do that. And just one more quick thing. On page 27 of the water book, on the second paragraph, I made an error and I said sodium hypochlorite instead of calcium hypochlorite, and I want to show you what the difference is. This is sodium hypochlorite. This is calcium hypochlorite. Pool shock is calcium hypochlorite. So if I corrected it, and those of you that have bought the book in the last few days have the corrected copy. I have published the corrected page on our web page. Just go to roseredhomestead.com, and on the opening page, scroll down to the bottom. There are free downloads there, and one of those downloads is page 27 that you can download and print and replace, or just go into your water book in that second paragraph on page 27, cross out sodium and write in calcium. So that would be what you want to do. So that's our news, our updates, and our announcement of our Black Friday sale, which I'm very excited about. So I hope all of you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we will see you a little bit later on Thanksgiving Day as we show you the results from our off-grid Thanksgiving dinner. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next Monday.